Hey guys, thank you for joining me and welcome back. I hope you all are doing well today. So today I'm going to create two home decor pieces using some vases from the Dollar Tree. I thought I was going to use these mirrors, but I'm not going to use them. I might use them as display items later. But so anyway, I am not going to waste a lot of time. I'm going to get started. And so I'm going to start by making sure I clean off all my glassware with some alcohol. I just sprayed it on a paper towel. The alcohol I use is 91% alcohol. So right here is a piece of wired ribbon. This is Dollar Tree ribbon. And I had it left over from this project right here, guys. This cute little hat that I made. It came out absolutely gorgeous. And I used a lot of the ribbon to create this hat. I think I probably used about half of the ribbon. And then I used the rest on something else. Now I have the small piece left, so I don't want to throw it away, and it's only one piece. So I've decided to use it as decor today in this video. So what I'm going to do is use a little bit of hot glue, and I'm going to adhere it to the bottom portion of this vase. This is a 7-inch tall vase, and of course it is from the Dollar Tree. I shouldn't say of course, but you guys recognize it. It's a Dollar Tree vase. What I'm going to do here is fold it over just to give it a nice finish, and then I'm going to use a little bit of hot glue and adhere that together. Next, I'm going to use some glittered pipe cleaner. I got this from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to use it on top of the ribbon just to edge out the top portion of the ribbon and the bottom. So now I'm just going to add this silicone mat just to have a little bit of contrast. And I'm going to add some holiday decor. And I'm going to be using some greenery, some berries, and I'll be using maybe some pine cone. I'm thinking if I wanted to use small pine cone or large pine cone. But anyway, this is the greenery I'm going to be using. This is some greenery I had from a few videos ago. I'm going to be using this green leaf. This is a holly leaf, I believe. I'm going to use that, and then I'm going to cut away the smaller pine cone from this pick. I'm going to use that. And just using a little bit of hot glue, I'm going to sort of layer them on top of and next to each other. So guys, this looks so nice. I love the way this came out. So what I'm going to do, I am going to add a little bit of that tinsel type pipe cleaner to the top of the vase. Yeah, I want to just make it look balanced. And then I'm going to go back and I'm going to do it off screen. I'm going to add some little bit of glitter to the leaf just to make it look like it has frost on it. And yeah. So guys, this piece. This came out so nice. I love the way it looks. It has a shabby chic look about it. I absolutely love the way it looks. Let me know what you think. Okay guys, for our next project, I'm going to start by making sure the vase is cleaned off again. And I'm going to be using this wired ribbon. I believe I got this from the Dollar Tree. And it's, of course, you can see it's silver glittered ribbon. And I'm going to use that today to create a project very similar, except this one is going to be a little more glam. So I'm going to wrap the ribbon around the vase, cut it off, and then I'm going to cut off a second piece because I want to create a higher profile for the ribbon. So I want to remove one side of the wired edge because I want the glitter edges to blend together a little bit better than they would if I left the wire there. So I'm going to remove that and then I'm going to hot glue it to the top. So next, I'm going to take silver pipe cleaner and I'm going to adhere it to the edge of the glittered ribbon just to cover up that wire aluminum look. I don't like that, so I'm just going to cover it up. So now to finish off this project, guys, I am going to be using some glittered window decal on the vase. Yeah, so that's the piece I'm going to be using, and I'm going to use maybe one or two stars. I'm not sure yet. So I'm just going to peel that off and place that on top of the vase. This is a window cling. It is going to stick. If you find it doesn't stick, if you want to use this or recreate this project, I think you can use a little bit of like Mod Podge, or you can use a little bit of clear gel tacky glue. I'm not going to put any of that on there because I believe you'll see it. And so I'm just going to press it down, and then I'm going to put the star on in the back. And after that, guys, this project will be finished. And so yeah, I'm just going to get that in place and just press it down and it'll stick. And guys, I absolutely love the way this came out. This is so beautiful. Two beautiful candle vases, one shabby chic and the other one looks glam. Guys, let me know what you think in the comment section, and I want to thank you so much for joining me today. Please don't forget to thumbs up the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I want you to stay well, stay safe, and stay blessed, and I will see you at the next video. Bye-bye.